This Coldwell Banker Lake Oconee Realty / Lake Country property video is presented by Terry Thornton. A well-maintained home with split floor plan featuring 3 bedrooms / 2 bath, primary bedroom with walk-in closet, private bath, and tray ceiling. The vaulted Greatroom has brand new LVP flooring as well as in kitchen and hall areas. Ceiling fans are featured in all bedrooms including Greatroom. Both bathrooms have been updated with tile showers and flooring. Laundry area comes equipped with washer and dryer. The home was recently pressure washed and the roof was replaced with architectural shingles in 2019. There is a patio on backside that overlooks a spacious backyard. This is a great home in a conveniently located area to Lake Oconee, downtown Eatonton and Milledgeville. For more information, review the details below or contact Terry.